Okay, so number sense intervention is where you're working with small groups of students that are still having trouble with basic computation facts. So the teacher it would give a screener at the beginning, like a CBM, and take those students who do poorly on it and explicitly teach strategies, things like estimating an answer that would be reasonable, or teaching the doubles of numbers, or teaching students to add to 10 and then add on to that. So, for example, a teacher could take a group of 2 or 3 students and memorize or practice doubles of numbers. So 5 and 5 is 10, 6 and 6 is 12, 7 and 7 is 14. Um, and really work on those to help them transfer into other basic computation facts. So this is really important that students have already been taught how to use these skills, and this would ideally be for students that are just struggling with those skills. So teachers can really easily measure progress over the course of these small group meetings, and can track progress through the use of screeners and things of that nature.